Okay, chapter 1 vitamin zodiac. Chapter 2 lutni chemical bonding. Chemical bonding. What is chemical bonding? It's a force which holds the atoms together in a molecule. Okay. Simple one sentence. It's a force. Chemical bonding is a force which holds together atoms in a molecule. Inert gas. The peculiarity, their main features is they are very stable. Look at this valence electron of this helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, they have 8 valence electron. Okay. This is called octet rule. Octet meaning 8 valence electron. Why is it a stable engine? Elements interact low. Why is it what atoms? Other atoms other than inert gas, they combine to form this, to fulfill this octet configurations. Okay, so octet rule. Dungzuin, okay, Cosell and Lewis, 1916. Okay, they do lots of study, okay, on chemical bonding. They come up with 3 common type of bond. Okay, electrovalent bond. In other words, it is called ionic bond. Okay, covalent bond. Second, third, coordinate bond or dative bond. Okay, ete bond in subdia. Electrovalent or ionic bond. Okay, so electrovalent or ionic bonds are formed when electropositive elements combined with electronegative elements. Example enzol ni. Now when you sodium having valence electron 1, okay, easily give up its electron to become what? Positive, Na plus. Neotic bangzeka plus sodium atunga, okay, proton bangzom som lekhat. Mana? Electron le som lekhat. Electron le som lekhatom. Okay, I'm not writing all of them. Khat hon loose type. Electron khat apai hiakule 10 electrons. As a whole, sodium is it's positive because 11 plus 11 is more than 10 negative. Plus, okay, 11 plus is greater than negative 10. Negative 10. As a whole, sodium is positive. Okay. My explanation. Okay. Sodium is electropositive, meaning valence electron, he gave out easily. Plus is exactly. Okay. So sodium ion kichita, sodium atom. Chlorine and monole. Electronic configuration chlorine is okay. This one 287, 17 is okay, 287. Yaka octet configuration I think that khat alag hai man. Electron, sodium in a paishak pen anala except, and he attained octet configurations 288 and he's stable. Huchi tale okay. Sodium chlorine ki sukhak to achemkha okay. Ionic bond ki form nom taka. Any okay. Ionic bond ki form, yes. Na plus and okay, this is shared. Okay. Electron khat ki pe accept, so NaCl, a stable compound NaCl is formed through what? Ionic bond. Okay. Sodium chloride, table salt, a structure, a formation here. A NaCl structure, exam point of view. Neotic detail या संते का सोडियम है या माने Na plus itu loh का chlorine Na plus this is Na plus this is chlorine okay kian cega textbook kon crop ya okay this is chlorine bigger in size okay sodium te ya sodium chlorine 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 this is the 3D crystal structure okay 3D ya okay enole yeah enole BSc in 2018 ang swak draw a label meaning what ya hi ma ya sodium hi ya chlorine hi it's label I mean take it aggregation of anions around cations in NaCl crystal NaCl structure gelin lan label in china hi mai okay answer to ibang ya hi mai this is the answer okay. You can write this you can write this you can write this poimo mama mang ni pua okay NaCl ionic bond zo waitan ko ile adang okay and magnesium chloride this are formed by ionic bond okay calcium oxide these are formed by ionic bond so another example of ionic bond okay ions Mg into 2 electron loose okay now ten okay chlorine ni de ya okay so 2 was gela okay sagi khat ni thumli ngaguk sagi Mg in 2 electron pehia mane Mg in 1 electron ye pa chlorine ke pya ye pa ke khat pya mane okay so khat ni thumli ngaguk sagia octet rule fulfill yele octet rule fulfill okay khat ni thumli ngaguk say and get so Mg contribute 2 electron to each chloride and then MgCl2 is formed by ionic form calcium le hochi bang okay he has given 2 electron to this okay? And then calcium oxide is formed this or CaO is formed ionic bond yetan zole okay good अहिले उच्चा ionic compound here ionic bonding characteristic bagaidia it's very important now te nole ionic compounds are generally crystalline in nature crystalline is bang what crystallines are what there's a in crystal what there's a regular three-dimensional arrangement of atoms mole fix hai na tena atom hi chet they are fixed a regular 3D geometry of atoms okay why x-ray study x-ray diffraction on study chana okay amu khya ko bang okay ionic compounds most ionic compounds are crystalline in nature okay point masa ai so chamteding and non-direction hachinona non-direction means what ero yela pailile atom dangan om yela pai atom dangan oi jaga e apaina lam e kibang vek that is called non-directional ionic compounds are crystalline in nature and another features of crystalline is called there is non-directional direction ki thei bunlo ki bangvek okay ani na enole ionic compound have what high melting and boiling points bangjakale yeah 3D arrangement of atom chit yete break na dia you need lots of energy if you need lots of energy that means you need a high melting and boiling point. They conduct electricity in molten state. Okay. Electricity conduct. Tui toki mixture le electricity conduct. Okay. Molten state and in aqueous solution, ionic compound conduct electricity. Third point, usually soluble in water. Okay. Ithebele. Chi water halogen tui padima. Okay. Soluble in water. Okay. It is soluble also in other polar solvents. Polar solvents. Okay. Polar solvents. Okay. Acetone, those kind of things. Soluble in that. But insoluble in what? Organic solvent like benzene. Benzene konga solute low. Ether konga le carbon tetrachloride, kerosene soluble low. Bagzeka ionic compound water soluble ichile hydrogen bond form thei jako. Water to whatever ionic compound you took, they will form what? Hydrogen bonding. Okay. What hydrogen bonding is what? A bond formed between hydrogen and some electronegative atoms. Why is that? They dissolve. Ionic compound dissolve easily in water because of hydrogen bonding, H bond. Organic solvent, benzene, ether, CC4, kerosene, soluble, they cannot form hydrogen bonding over there. Why is that? Okay. BSCM 2011. Who's known? Okay. Ionic compound, they possess crystalline structure. Point number 1. They have high melting and boiling point. Well, again, hinta. Okay. This is again a characteristic of ionic compound. It's very important. Okay. Not bonding by harding. Covalent bond. What? A covalent bond, there's a sharing of electrons. Like a share to example, pani. Okay. Okay. Bond formed between by nature, mutual sharing of electrons between combining atoms. Okay. Hydrogen in a electron khade amalene hydrogen atom dangina. Okay, they share. Ki share to amale share two. So he got two. Okay. Two electrons, and they form a hydrogen stable H2 compound. Stable. Chlorine and nonole 287. Ya khat to ki share di khat la. Okay, sagi gyat. Yellow sagi khat gyat. 288 they become 288, 2,8. So stable chlorine molecule is formed. HCl nonole ya to ki share di ni oi lo chlorine in khat poimo la non. So you have 2, you have 8 at last. Okay. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, stable compound is formed. Methane, CH4, stable compound, methane is formed. Lastly, what? Water. Hydrogen ya oxygen khatom. Oxygen okay. Share. Okay. Share. He need 2 more. Ni poimo to get 8 octet rule. Khatwak share phase. Okay. Stable water compound is formed. Covalent compound example nahi. Next, ammonia. Same thing. Hydrogen thum. Okay. Stable ammonium compound is formed by covalent bonding. A covalent bonding, discussed there's something called multiple bonding, covalent bonding, meaning okay, single bond so hello, okay, double bond, triple bond, covalent bond. Next, oxygen ni form sharing of electrons. oxygen molecule O2. Two oxygen and one carbon. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Double bond. Nitrogen la, N2. Triple bond over here. So, covalent bond, subdivision single, double bond and triple bond le examples are these. Chalte de. Lastly, which is called coordinate or dative bond. Yaiha khatin electron donate, khatin ana accept. The one which donate is called donor, and the other one is called acceptor. Example enle chang mai de. Okay. Ozone. Typical example of dative bond is ozone. Oxygen ni omsa oxygen khat a side om. What he did, he will give two of each, not donate. This oxygen donate two of its electron to that single oxygen atom. So electron ni apiak donate piak it's another arrow. So if you are asked to draw ozone, you should write like this. This is correct form. Okay. Actually O3. Good. Dative bond example. Next. Let's see. These are another example of dative bonds. Hydronium ion. Water, we know, water. I guess. Yeah, a proton or, okay. What he did, this 2 electron is donated towards this H plus. Okay, yeah. And this is shown by arrow. Okay, this is called hydronium ion. H3O plus. Poimo 2010 BSCM question leung paya. Check this out. In the formation of hydronium ion, how many valence electron of the central oxygen atom are involved in the bond formation? Meaning a central atom in a bangsa electron donata 2. Answer is 2. So answer is the central atom, oxygen atom, okay, donates 2 electrons to hydrogen. Okay. Next. Okay. Ammonium ion form nale. Okay. 2 electrons is donated to this and they form ammonium ion. Okay. Hongle ki covalent structure, covalent bonding, covalent compounds. Study komina features, main characteristic. Yes, sinsuk zolema. It not a covalent compound. They are like they are gas and they are water sometimes. Okay? Water, ammonia. Covalent compound. Now, what physical state? Okay, they generally exist as a what? Gases or liquid. Okay, at room temperature. Number 2, low melting and boiling point. Okay. Gas okay, the force between the molecules are weak. Why is that? They have low melting and boiling point. Okay. Solubility lah banget sih dia. Okay. Sparingly, it's partially soluble in polar solvent, like water. Water they are partially soluble. Tui laga soluble but soluble in non-polar benzene, okay, carbon, CCl4, okay, carbon tetrachloride, kerosene, soluble. Okay. Lastly, conductivity. They do not conduct electricity, electric conduct load, okay, because they are made up of what? Neutral molecules. Ions, only 2, they can conduct electricity or electrons, but they are basically what? Liquid. It's a neutral molecule. Ammonia is neutral, water is neutral. Okay. So in this way, they don't conduct electricity. Next, the bonding in metals. This is called C, electron C model. Kon gendia, lithium example akila here. Now, proton means protons are fixed. These are fixed. If this is a proton, and electrons, they can move easily. They can move. They're mobile. Why is that guy? It's called electron C. Okay? Electron देखा क्या तो ये किसब चिमें तबे. This is called electron C model of metals. ये theory on पके तो Lorentz. Okay. Yeah. Example कौन है PZ दिया. Questions ले उनको का BSc yeah over here. A diagram in thagle. This is called cardinal. Positive side, positive cations. Positive cations are called cardinal. Cardinal chechu. This is most important central part of anything. Central part of this crystal. Allah ita ka okay. Ba ki makya ha electron te ule da cha okay. Ki bang veka hi structure. Okay. A poimo 2013 BSCM questions le ka. What is it? Draw any diagram of electron C model of metallic bonding, any metal. Yeah, and label the kernels. Label this. I mean, this is my metal ions kernel. This is electron. Label it. This diagram jaldi hi mai. 2013 BSCM.